Hello children, welcome to the today's session. Dear children, in the last session we have completed our two important chapters in the EVS, isn't it? So which are those chapters? Here I'll show my family and me. So we will learn about our family and so what are the importance of family? How does the family teach us the values? So that we have discussed, isn't it? So we have discussed about the my family and me, and we have discussed the important points regarding this, and we have also conducted the test. Most of the students are attended very well. Okay, so in the second chapter we are learned about the caring others. So how we have to care the other peoples who are different from us. So we are having the all kind of the sense organs and all the body parts are working well, but there are some peoples whose sense organs and whose their body parts are not working well, so they are different from us. So how to help, how to care them, so how to care the old peoples present in our home. So this much we have discussed in the caring others chapter, isn't it? So dear children, in the today's session let us move to the a third chapter, that is people around us. So I'll explain about the today's session. Let us start to discuss about the chapter 3, that is people around us. Let's start the lesson. First I'll read out and I'll explain. Look at this one. Okay, wait. So all of you open the textbook. So this is our first lesson. We have completed our first lesson, isn't it? So let's move to our second lesson. This is also completed. And open now third lesson. Now I'll explain about the lesson 3. That is people around us. Okay. So I'll read out the paragraph first. Then I'll explain. Okay. So when Saina wakes up in the morning to get ready for the school, for school, she sees her mother working in the kitchen, a lady cleaning the house, and the milkman delivering the milk. Her mother tells her that many people are involved in making their lives comfortable. So what the Saina is she? Saina is seeing that her mother is cooking in the kitchen. At the same time, the milkman came and he has delivered the milk. Okay, and so what they are telling, what her mother is telling, so behind their lives to be comfortable. So we have to live comfortable means there are many people behind us. Okay, so that here in this chapter they are focusing about the peoples who are make us life, our life comfortable. Okay, those peoples who make our life comfortable. So they are focusing on the people who make us our life comfortable. So in this chapter, they are focusing on the people who are making our life comfortable, isn't it? I'll read it once again. When Saina wakes up in the morning to get ready for the school, she sees her mother working in the kitchen. So she is getting ready for the school. Okay, she will want to go to the school. At the time, she saw her mother who is she is cooking in the kitchen. Okay, and a lady cleaning the house, and the milkman is delivering the milk. So one lady, she is there in her home and she is cleaning the floor. Okay, she's making some of the cleaning activities inside the home. At the same time, she also saw the milkman who is delivering the milk. So by seeing this, her mother told Saina that, so what she told her, she told that many people are involved in making their life comfortable. So you have to remember now. So if you are living the comfortable life means there are many peoples behind you. So we have to identify the peoples who are present around us, who are making our life comfortable. That is also important. Okay, this is the introduction regarding the chapter, that is people around us. Let's move to the actual paragraph now. Okay. Okay. See the paragraph, see the textbook carefully. I'll read out the first paragraph. Saina, she is amazed at the number of people who are involved in her life to make it comfortable. She decided to walk down a busy street near her house and note down some more services that people perform for us. There she sees people doing various kinds of jobs. Okay, first I will once again repeat the paragraph and later I'll tell the meaning of this paragraph. Look at the paragraph once again. Saina is amazed at the number of people who are involved in her life to make it comfortable. She decided to walk down a busy street near her house and note down some more services that people perform for us. There she sees the people doing various kinds of jobs. So, what the Saina is looking here, what she is telling us, let's see. Saina is amazed at the number of people who are involved in her life to make it comfortable. So, Saina, she is want to know the peoples who are making her life comfortable. She wants to know. Okay, she wants to know who are the peoples are behind her. Okay, so what the peoples are behind her to make her life comfortable. She wants to know the peoples who are behind her. Okay, so what she is telling, she decided to walk down a busy street near her house and note down the some more services that people perform for us. So she want to go to the somewhere near her house. She want to go on some street. There peoples are doing many work. She wants to know the peoples who are making a many work for us, for their family, for her. Okay, so she went to the some street there. So many people are making the some of the services for them. So she wants to know that. Okay, so there she sees the people doing the various kinds of jobs. So when she visited to the street, there she looked many of the people who are doing a many work for them. Okay, so many people are doing the various kinds of work. So she visited that place and she will saw the people who are doing the varieties of works. Okay, let's see the what she saw there. Let's see, look at here. In the first picture I'll show. See, in the first picture, so Tyler stitches the clothes. Who stitches the cloth? Tyler. Okay, second, carpenter making the things with wood. So you are making, if for example in your home furnitures are there, means they are made by the carpenter. Okay, so cobbler repairs the shoes. That you know. Okay, shoes are repaired by the cobbler. Next, pumbler fixes the repairs the taps and pipes. So pumbler will do the any works regarding the pipes. Okay, that means water service. Okay, so electricians fits the repairs light, fans and other electrical things. So next one, baker bakes the cakes, biscuits, bread and other bakery items. So greengrocer sells the vegetables. Okay, greengrocer sells the vegetable. So she saw these many people who are working for them, isn't it? So now you think you are also depend upon these kind of people for everyday life, isn't it? Think once. So if you are eating the vegetables which are brought from by the vegetable seller, that means greengrocer, isn't it? So he is also one of the people who is behind our life making comfortable, isn't it? Yes, childrens. So these are the many kinds of peoples who are making a varieties of works behind us. Okay, they are making a varieties of works behind us to make our life comfortable. Okay, childrens. Okay, so the people around us do the different kinds of work to earn money. Each kind of work is called occupation. So what do you mean by occupation then? People around us do different kinds of work to earn money. Each kind of work is called occupation. So each kind of work done by the people is called as occupation. Okay, I'll show here. Here you can observe occupation. Word occupation. What do you mean by occupation? Each kind of work is known as occupation. Occupation is not only the government job or nothing else. Okay, every kind of work performed by each type of peoples are called as occupation or is called as occupation. So if the man is who is repairing the shoes, he becomes the cobbler. Okay, the man who is growing the crops becomes the farmer. Okay, like that each kind of work is called as occupation. Occupation spelling OCCUPATION. Occupation. Pronounce along with me. Occupation. So what is occupation? Occupation means each kind of work performed by the peoples is known as occupation. So understood? Now what she is telling? Saina, she wants to know about the kinds of occupation done by the different peoples and the peoples who are making our life comfortable. Okay, children? Understood? Okay, let's move to the second paragraph. Are you understood the first paragraph? I hope you everyone understood the first paragraph. Let's move to our second paragraph now. Okay, our second paragraph is as follows. Okay. Community helpers. So what is that community helpers? Let's see. Let's read out. People who provide services to us are called as community helpers. So who are community helpers? People who provide services to us. So they are providing the services to us. So what kind of service? Let's see. So they are paid for all services. Examples: tailor, carpenter, cobbler, plumber, electrician, baker, greengrocer, all community helpers. Some other community helpers are given below. Let's see. So who are community helpers? Community helpers means who are providing a service for us. For example, tailor stitches the cloths. Okay, and cobbler, so he will repairs the shoes. Okay, then electrician will fix the electrical fans and repairs the fans, etc. Like this. So who was providing the services for us? So the peoples who are providing the services for us are known as community helpers. So examples you must remember. So tailor, carpenter, cobbler, plumber, electrician, baker, greengrocer, these are all providing the varieties of services for us. So these are called as community helpers. Okay, children, got it? Okay. So here is some of the some other community helpers are also given. Let's see the examples one by one. Okay, I'll show. Postman delivers the parcels. Doctor and nurse treat the people who are ill or injured. Policeman maintains the law and order. So firefighters put out the fire if any fire things are happened near your villages or something else. So firefighters will come and they will save from the fire. Okay. So next, teacher gives the knowledge and good values to the children, isn't it? So teachers will teach us the lesson. Along with the lesson, she or he also teaches the values for the life. Okay, values. We have to spend our life with the important values. Values are very important for our life. Okay. So not only the learning, along with the learning, they also teach us some of the values for our life. Isn't it, children? Okay, this is about the community helpers. Hope you are understood this one. I will repeat once again. Community helpers, people who provide services to us are called community helpers. They paid for the other services. Okay, they are paid for their services. So we will pay, isn't it? We have to pay the for their services. We have to pay them, isn't it? So example for the community helpers are cobbler, electrician, carpenter, tailor. Along with this one, policeman, a doctor, postman, firefighters, teachers. They are all called as community helpers. Understood, children? So one more important things are there. Okay, so we will move to the this one later. Okay children, so this much we have discussed. So let us wind up the today's session with this only. In the next session, let us study about the social workers. Who are social workers? Why they are called as the social workers? How they will work for the society? That we will discuss in the next session. Hope you are understood the today's class, isn't it? Okay children, thank you all.